Okay, Nifty Thrifty Girl, featuring a vintage Kenmore model 1750. This is a tank of a machine, to say the least. It is in very, very excellent cosmetic condition. Nice shiny surface, no major paint damage, paint scratches, anything like that. It is your typical mint green Kenmore, 17-inch deck, which means it's tabletop ready, or you have to have a Kenmore carrying case or cabinet to put it in, because the deck is longer and it is square, whereas your Singer dimensions are different. This is a basic straight stitch machine until you add a pattern cam, including zigzag, and the required zigzag cam is included. 1.2 amp, all steel, and it is a tank, as I said. It comes with all the cams, the accessories, button holder here in the double layer box. With a book of cams. It is a low shank machine using class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles. Also comes with the original instruction manual. This machine didn't see much use. Everything on it is nice and tight. I mean, I didn't see hardly any use at all. And it also does stretch as well as regular stitches. And right now the zigzag cam is in place. And these machines are just, they're so strong. I'm going to change out the zigzag cam and I'm going to put in a stretch cam. So you can see it do a stretch pattern. This is like a box stitch. This is the double. And your stretch length can be adjusted by the knob on the back. Now I'm going to adjust it out a little bit. There's your box stitch, and that's done with the stretch cam. Now you need to make sure you remove that cam or it's going to keep trying to stretch even if you don't want it to. So now I'm going to show you, this is a Levi's pocket, seams and all, doubled, and this machine is not going to have any problem whatsoever with this doubled Levi's pocket. Right over the seams, which is 4 layers. And this machine will pretty much sew through anything, as you can see. Going right over the 2 layers of seams like it's nothing. A couple layers of garment leather, 4 ounce. Not an industrial machine by any means, but as you can see, has no problems with heavy-duty projects. Makes a perfect stitch. And that's your vintage Kenmore model 1750.